This is my updated setup for testing 3D printed gears. So I'm going to test these 3 gears on this. The gears have a ratio of 2.3 to 1. And ideally there'd be 5 gears, and if I input 8400 I'll get 250,000 on the output. So the idea is to test different materials, gear profiles and lubricants. But the main point of this video is how I keep things consistent. So this isn't quite finished yet, but I've got a power meter to measure the input power. And then I've got this is actually a Variac. And there's a stop here, so this is 0 volts. I'll turn all the way around to here to stop, and that'll be at 8400 RPM. And it takes 2 minutes from here to here. And then this control just makes sure I hit those. So if I press go, this is going to wind up really slow. You can see our motor is starting up. And so is the power required. And then when it hits this switch, it'll stop, and then I've just got to hit it again just to go back to the reset, and then that'll slow back down. So let's destroy some gears. So this is super sticky assembly lube. I haven't checked the footage yet, but that sounded pretty successful. The oil actually did a really good job. This gear looks really good. It's the smaller gear that failed, but this one looks like I could run it again, and so does this. Even this one looks really good. So I've estimated the top speed of this one on this last gear would have been about 45,000 RPM. So be sure to subscribe. I've got lots of other projects to do. Currently in the middle of a move. Got to move this big thing, so try and get as many videos in as I can. And see you next time.